Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making another quick snack. So if you saw my last video, I made a bit of a beer snack, an Indonesian coconut and beef ball thing. That was pretty easy, but today it does not get any easier than this. This is going to be, I'd say, probably the easiest recipe I ever do, ever, on my channel. So, Devils on Horseback. What do we got? We got bacon and we got prunes. That's it. So I've already taken my bacon strips. I've got clean hands, don't worry. And I've just cut them into sort of couple inch sort of lengths, like so. I take one prune. I set it on my bit of bacon. Yeah, I kid you not. I just wrap my bit of bacon around it, like so. Now normally you'd put individual sticks on this, but I'm going to do a bit of production line, so I'm going to put like several at a time on the one skewer, straight through, and repeat. Now the only real trick with these is you have to make sure your bacon has wrapped right around over to the other side, so that when you get your skewer through it, it stays closed, like so. That's it. Doesn't get any simpler. I'm only telling you that because this one just opened up a little bit because I hadn't quite overlapped it enough. Like so. Alright, I'll keep going with those and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so I've got my Devils on Horseback all wrapped up there, ready to go. I've just got my oven preheating to 200 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put them in there for, I don't really know how long it'll take, 10-15 minutes. And if they look like they need a bit of colour crisping up, I'll actually take them out, whack the top down griller or broiler on high and just give them a last blast under there for a few seconds. Alrighty, I'll get back to you when they're done. Alrighty guys, so as promised, a really quick video today. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler, as I said at the start of the video, but I'm really looking forward to trying these. So yeah, Devils on a Horseback. Let's get one off. I just let them cool slightly so I could pick it up. So here we go. I mean, really, it's just an old-fashioned cocktail snack, and some people change it up. They put dates or dried apricots or whatever instead. Well, of course you could do that, but why not put prunes in? It goes well with bacon. Let's try it. Just delicious. Don't mess with it. That's my advice. Like, doesn't get any simpler. Bacons, one prune, roll it up. I can take these all off, serve them up individually, like so. Present them how you want. Like, oh my goodness, what a treat. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask you to subscribe to the channel? I'd really appreciate it. But if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.